Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to create a nostalgic cinematic black and white color grading in Adobe Premiere. To kick things off, I added a simple clip to my timeline and sped it up about 250% to imitate an aged video. Let's start by adding an adjustment layer to the track above your video. Go down to the Add New Item button in your project panel. Go up to Adjustment Layer and select it. Click OK. And now your adjustment layer will show up in your project panel. Drag your new adjustment layer to the second track on your timeline and stretch it to match the length of your video. Now select your adjustment layer and go up to the Color tab at the top. This will reveal your color correction tools on your right. Underneath your basic correction tab, we're going to adjust a couple of settings to give your video a bit of a nostalgic feel. We'll start by bringing your saturation down to 0 to make the video black and white. Then we'll decrease the shadows to darken the darkest parts of your video. Next, we'll increase the highlights of your video to boost the brighter parts of your video even more. And lastly, we'll increase the contrast to create a bigger difference between your blacks and your whites. The result should look something like this. But there are a few more cracking settings to give us a real vintage vibe. Back over on your color panel, click the Creative tab just below the basic corrections. Now increase your faded film adjustment to your desired amount. And now we have the best of both worlds, great contrast and a slightly faded effect. And lastly, I'm going to sharpen it up a tad to enhance the edges of the image. Okay, I'm really happy with the way this looks. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.